Welcome to the Health Guide. Are you ready to uncover the secret to losing 10 kilograms quickly and naturally? In this guide, I'll introduce you to an amazing detox drink and share 10 proven strategies that will help you shed those extra pounds, stay healthy, and feel incredible. Let's jump in and unlock your full potential for a healthier, happier you. 1. Start your day with a detox drink. This detox drink is a true game changer. It's made with ginger, lemon, and water, ingredients known for their metabolism boosting and toxin flushing properties. Drinking it warm first thing in the morning not only wakes up your digestive system, but also helps set a positive tone for the day. Add a pinch of cinnamon for an extra metabolism boost and a delightful flavor twist. Pair this with a few minutes of light stretching, and you'll feel more refreshed, energized, and ready to tackle the day. For even better results, drink it slowly and take a moment to focus on your intentions for the day. Consider prepping your detox drink the night before to save time in the morning. And if you're feeling adventurous, experiment with adding turmeric or a splash of apple cider vinegar for added health benefits. 2. Hydration is your weight loss ally. Hydration is a surprisingly powerful tool in your weight loss journey. Drinking enough water helps regulate your metabolism, curb unnecessary snacking, and support overall digestion. If plain water feels boring, add natural infusions like slices of cucumber, berries, or herbs like mint for a refreshing twist. Remember to drink a glass of water before meals to help you feel fuller and avoid overeating. Stay consistent, and you'll notice an improvement in energy levels and skin health too. Carry a reusable water bottle with you to stay on track wherever you go. Try setting reminders on your phone to drink water regularly throughout the day. And don't forget, herbal teas and unsweetened beverages count towards your hydration goals too. 3. Choose whole foods for your meals. Whole foods are your best bet when it comes to weight loss and overall well-being. They're packed with fiber, essential nutrients, and natural goodness. Swap out processed foods for fresh fruits, colorful vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Experiment with vibrant salads, hearty soups, or stir-fries to keep meals exciting and satisfying. Your body will thank you for choosing clean, wholesome fuel. Plan your meals in advance to avoid last-minute unhealthy choices. Get creative with spices and herbs to bring out the natural flavors of whole foods. And when grocery shopping, stick to the outer aisles where fresh, unprocessed items are typically found. 4. Move more every day. Exercise doesn't have to be a chore. The key is to find movement that makes you happy. Whether it's a quick home workout, a walk in the park, or dancing to your favorite songs. Start small if you're new to exercise, and gradually build up to 30 minutes a day. For an extra boost, try incorporating interval training or resistance exercises a few times a week to burn fat and build strength. The detox drink will give you an energy lift, making it easier to stick with your routine. Use a fitness tracker or app to stay motivated and measure your progress. Invite a friend or family member to join you for added accountability and fun. And don't forget to stretch regularly to improve flexibility and prevent injuries. 5. Ditch the sugary beverages. Sugary drinks are sneaky calorie bombs that can derail your progress. Instead of sodas, energy drinks, or sweetened coffees, opt for herbal teas, sparkling water, or your trusty detox drink is a healthier alternative. Try making your own flavored waters with fruit slices, fresh herbs, or even a splash of natural juice. Cutting back on sugar not only helps with weight loss, but also improves your energy levels and focus throughout the day. Keep an eye out for hidden sugars in store-bought beverages. Gradually reduce the sweetness in your drinks to let your taste buds adapt. And treat yourself to a beautiful reusable cup or bottle to make your healthier choices feel more special. Before we move on, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you're enjoying this content, hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all things health and wellness. Are you liking the videos so far? Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these tips or if you have your own go-to-health habits. Oh, and before I forget, I've written a free ebook that you can download right now. Healthy Eating on a Budget is a 7-day meal plan filled with delicious, wallet-friendly recipes to nourish your body without breaking the bank. It's packed with practical tips and flavorful ideas for breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner. Click the link in the description to grab your copy and start your journey toward healthy, affordable eating today. 6. Snack smart. Snacking can either help or hinder your weight loss goals. Instead of reaching for chips or candy, choose wholesome options like raw nuts, Greek yogurt, or crunchy veggie sticks with hummus. Planning ahead is key. Keep healthy snacks within reach so you're not tempted by processed foods. For a sweet treat, try a piece of dark chocolate or a handful of berries. Snacking smart keeps your energy steady and supports your progress. Make snack packs in advance so you can grab and go. Experiment with homemade granola bars or energy balls for a wholesome boost. And don't forget to pair your snacks with water to stay hydrated and satisfied. 7. Prioritize sleep and stress management. Good sleep and stress management are often overlooked but are crucial for weight loss. Sleep helps regulate hormones like ghrelin and leptin, which control hunger and fullness. Meanwhile, chronic stress can trigger cravings and emotional eating. Develop a bedtime routine to wind down, like reading or taking a warm bath. During the day, practice mindfulness techniques like deep breathing or yoga to reduce stress and maintain focus on your goals. Turn off screens an hour before bedtime to improve sleep quality. Keep a gratitude journal to reflect on positive moments and reduce stress. And don't hesitate to seek support if stress feels overwhelming. Talk to a friend, therapist, or coach. 8. Add protein to every meal. Protein is essential for weight loss. It helps you feel full, supports muscle growth, and keeps your metabolism active. Aim to include a source of protein in every meal, whether it's eggs, fish, beans, or nuts. Even snacks can benefit from a protein boost. Try boiled eggs, a protein smoothie, or a small handful of almonds. Combining protein with fiber-rich foods makes meals even more satisfying and nourishing. Explore plant-based protein sources like lentils, tofu, and quinoa for variety. Mix protein powders into oatmeal or smoothies for an easy addition. And if you meal prep, portion out proteins to save time during the week. 9. Keep track of your progress. Tracking your habits keeps you motivated and accountable. Write down what you eat, how much water you drink, and the exercises you do each day. Apps or simple journals can help you monitor patterns and adjust as needed. Celebrate every small victory, whether it's fitting into your favorite jeans or reaching a new fitness milestone. These moments of progress are fuel for the journey ahead. Set specific, achievable goals and revisit them regularly. Take photos or measurements to visually track your transformation. And remember to reward yourself for milestones. Treat yourself to something that supports your goals, like new workout gear. 10. Be patient and kind to yourself. Change takes time, and weight loss is no exception. Avoid setting unrealistic expectations or comparing yourself to others. Instead, focus on the positive steps you're taking every day. Celebrate how far you've come, even if the scale doesn't move as quickly as you'd like. Remember, this isn't just about weight. It's about building a sustainable, healthy lifestyle that makes you feel your best. Practice self-compassion by acknowledging your effort, not just results. Surround yourself with supportive people who uplift your journey. And remind yourself that progress is progress, no matter how small it seems. And there you have it. These 10 strategies combined with the Detox Drink are your blueprint for a healthier, happier you. Are you ready to take action? Which of these tips will you try first? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's continue this journey together, building a life full of energy, confidence, and health. And remember, my free ebook, Healthy Eating on a Budget, is waiting for you in the description. Grab it and start transforming your meals today. Until next time, stay motivated, keep moving forward, and let's make these changes a lasting part of your life.